What's up, y'all? Back with another video. This video is about to be based off my, I'ma say, I started out trying to do like feed-ins, y'all. I'm not even about to hold you. Like, I think I was doing okay at first, and then I kind of like, you know, I was like, forget it, and I just started doing like my little extended ponytail. So as y'all can see, I added like little pieces of the hair so that, you know, it won't look bumpy or nothing. And I just started cornrolling. I think I did about like 8 cornrows the most, but it really was nice, y'all. Like, it didn't even take that long to do the cornrows. But that's the example y'all see right there. Because, I'm going to tell y'all, I wanted to continue to do this, but I got tired, y'all. I was like, forget this. So, I was just playing, you know, showing all my little hair or whatever. After that, I said, forget. I actually do like this blue. As y'all can see my hair, I had just dyed it, so, you know, the color was settling and stuff like that. I feel like for this type of hairstyle, you want to make sure your hair is not too, I say not too soft, because I feel like my hair was real soft in this one. But I had put a lot of oils and stuff on my head, and I had wet my hair, so I think that's why it was too soft. But you just want to make sure you attach it really tight and nice, because if not, it will slide off. Because y'all, I had that problem like 4 or 5 times, y'all. So please make sure you do it really tight. And then you just braid down. And you could use some water too, y'all. Like if it's cutting your hands, because the hair could be a little, you know, really rough. So just keep braiding until you get close to like the mid-center part. And y'all gonna see what I mean by that soon. So yes, I did use about 2.5 packs of the hair. One hair is for the braided part, and then the other hair is for the second part of it, because you know it's gonna be really long. So you wanna have like your little 2 pieces or whatever, or you can just feed it in, which I'm about to do now. So you just feed it in, and y'all gonna see me feeding it in. Make sure you don't do it too tight. I was thinking about doing like the little butterfly braid jank on it, but I was like, nah, because I was starting to put it apart, and then I just went back and was like, nah, I ain't gonna do that. Because then I feel like I did the braid too tight. When you do like the butterfly little braid jank, you gotta be loose so that you can pull it. I couldn't pull it at all. It was really tight, so I was like, let me just leave it the way it is. But it came out cute, y'all. Like, I'm telling y'all, it's really not that hard. If y'all look at my video before this one, I think I did it in black, and it's really not that hard. But make sure you just braid down. You don't have to do it this long. Some people do it longer. I know mine was past my butt, so it was literally close to my knees. So yeah, y'all, just like, you know, this the part I was saying, like it looked like it could come apart, but certain parts couldn't, so I just left it, and I just kept braiding down because I wasn't about to do all that, y'all. I really wasn't. I was gonna curl it in, but I was like, nah, I'm just going and braid it down, and just left it the way it was. But y'all, let me tell y'all, please make sure you do not have to be bougie about the hair. I use kankolon hair, y'all, straight kankolon hair, and called it a day. I did 2.5 packs. And make sure you got some nice little jam to slick your little edges down, or use for your hair if you want to. But yeah, y'all, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. You know how that sound. And it's gonna be more videos, y'all. Like, don't even be tripping when I don't post, y'all, because I got y'all. Inside my mind, I just don't understand. Told me that you won't ever leave, but then you left again. You took my heart with a glance. Hold me right in your arms and your hands.